Constant effort to achieve something. Constant effort to achieve something. Perseverance. Perseverance. A person employed in armed forces. A person employed in armed forces. Personal. Personal. The action of examining with care or reading carefully. The action of examining with care or reading carefully. Perusal. Perusal. A person who always expects. A person who always expects bad things to happen or something not to be successful. Pessimist. Killing of pest. Pesticide. Killing of pest. Pesticide. That which is morally dangerous. That which is morally dangerous. Pestiferous. Pestiferous. Stick with a thick and used in a mortar for pounding. Pestle. Pestle. Decrease or fade gradually before coming to an end. Decrease or fade gradually before coming to an end. Peter. Peter. A long wooden seat with a back. A long wooden seat with a back for people to sit on in a church pew. A long wooden seat with a back or people to sit on in a church pew. A person who always runs after women. A person who always runs after women. Philanderer. Philanderer. A person who loves all mankind. Someone who freely gives money and help to people who need it. Philanthropist. Philanthropist. The love of man or mankind. Philanthropy. The love of man or mankind. Philanthropy. A person who collects or studies stamps. A person who collects or studies stamps. Philatelist. The collection and study of postage stamps. The collection and study of postage stamps. Philately. A person who does not like, understand. A person who does not like, understand or enjoy the beauty of art, literature, music, etc. Philistine. A person who likes or admires women. A person who likes or admires women. Philogenist. The study of language. Philology. The study of language. Philology. One who loves wisdom and hence pursues it. Philosopher. One who loves wisdom and hence pursues it. Philosopher. Intense and unrestrained fear or dislike. Intense and unrestrained fear or dislike. Phobia. The study and classification of sounds. Phonetics. The study and classification of sounds. Phonetics. A doctor who is a specialist in general medicine and not surgery. A doctor who is a specialist in general medicine and not surgery. Physician. A study of the human body. Physiology. A study of the human body. Physiology. Treatment by means of exercise and massage. Physiotherapy. Treatment by means of exercise and massage. Physiotherapy. A place where pigs are kept. Pigsty. A place where pigs are kept. Pigsty. A large number of things placed one on top of another. A large number of things placed one on top of another. Pie. The act of stealing something in small quantities. The act of stealing something in small quantities. Pilferage. A seat for a passenger. A seat for a passenger on a bicycle. A seat for a passenger on a bicycle or motorbike. Pillion. One who does something for the first time. One who does something for the first time. Pioneer.